In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Runway AI Image to Video for free. So you can see once you create your account, basically you get free credits. And to of course get extra, you're going to be requiring to wait, or you can simply upgrade, which is going to be of course paid. So we are not going to be doing that for now. We are going to be using AI image to video. So for that, what we are going to be doing is, you can see we have this little plus icon. We can simply upload any image here. Let's just say I have an image of, let's just say, this character. We can open this and upload it, and we can describe our video. So you can type in here anything that you want this character to be doing, and it is going to be simply doing that. Simply click on generate and wait for a couple of moments, and you can see we can choose between models. So the V2 is free, and click on generate, hold on a minute, and you are good to go. So that's how you can use AI image to video for free, and it is going to be taking some time.